There we go, man. Baughman Trail up to the Baughman Rock. It must be pretty good. I'm coming.
It's awesome.
It's beautiful. I should have got my binoculars out.
Are you making a movie?
Yes, I am.
Well, it's gonna be a good one.
Holy
Look
smokes.
at this view.
Wow.
Imagine, what if we were like right over there?
I'm so cold. Oh, you can see that little river right there.
Uh-huh. Where?
See the train tracks down there.
Just about to say that.
Oh, I see. I see.
Hold on.
Look at the clouds, how they're creating the shadows on the hillside.
Mm-hmm. Look, you see the river and the train tracks.
I see the river and the train track.
Rich is making a documentary.
Sir.
I can't believe. And we thought that river was big. Now look at it now.
What's the elevation?
26, I think.
Oh my gosh. You see the river. What if I want to see the train go by? And then you just see all the birds flee. Amazing.
I would see.
Then we get in the car and it comes.
Yeah, take just a picture of this, honey.
Rappel?
Oh, yeah.
You should take.
Rappel. What is that? The new pronunciation.
Oh, yeah.
Hey Dad, you have got to take a picture of this.
Yeah.
Remember this good time.
Oh, there's a river.
Yeah, and then there's the train tracks.
You can take a picture about that too.